Well, it has come apart. Yeah, what can I say? None of the above was true, except for a little bit more gentle nudging, hitting it with a hammer. In other words, so it does come off. There was there is a seal. The seal's fine. It was loose as it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's been just some grit, and there is a tight spot. Well, not anymore now. But for some reason I just couldn't get it out at the right angle. I tried to walk it out with screwdrivers. That was not working. I did this business for a good 5 or 10 minutes yesterday. That wasn't working. So I did grind that out, clean it up. I didn't. Well, I don't think it made any difference, but who knows. But a little bit more gentle hammering with a drift and a hammer, it came apart. So now what to do? That's what I'm going to look at. I haven't got any gas for the TIG welder, and that's pretty small for the stick welder. And I don't want to hit it with my gasless MIG because that splatters everywhere, makes a mess. I'd have to shroud this up anyhow. I know that. I'll think about this. That key does come out easy enough. So the key's out. I might just grind the end of this main shaft down and see how much room I've got to put a thread in there, realising there's this keyway. So just let me get my calipers, they're here somewhere. So the shaft, the end of the shaft, because it's smaller than the bearing size, is 10 millimeters. Bottom of the key to the other side is 7 mil. If I put a 7 mil is 10 mil. 5, 6, 7, that's 2 mil. That'll be an N4, and I'd still be hitting the bottom of the keyway. Unless I just offset it to one side. Hang on a second. Okay, now that the air compressor is stopped, the little bolt, if I put a bolt in the end, does it have to be concentric with the shaft? No. I might throw it off balance a little bit, but gee, it's only going to be 2 or 3 mil off centre. I'll think about that. I'll clean this up and I'll clean the end of this shaft up and just confirm what I've got to play with. But it looks like it's going to be 7 millimeters. If I put an N4 in there, I'd have to buy an M4. I don't have I don't have a stainless steel M4, and I don't have a cap screw in M4. I might have, actually. I might have, but it'll only be black. It won't be stainless. Yes. But then this shaft disappeared. Just wondering if that's a dissimilar metal action going on there, considering the seal is down here near the bearing. Why didn't the water creep through? And well, it did a little bit. It took a little bit of that shaft away on the shoulder. Why it didn't do more damage further in? It just stopped at the end of the nut and washer pack. Anyhow, that's all academic. I'm not a metallurgist. Leave it with me. I'll bring you back later.